一贯道新义纯阳 Sandao Temple, new construction of the Lu-Zhu branch, introduction of the current construction process. With the grace of heaven and virtues of holy teachers, the blessings of the past Xinyi seniors and the non-Xin seniors, the great support from our elder, our Tao transmitting masters, and our global Tao members. The construction of the Yiguan Dao Xinyi Chunyang Sandao Temple Lu-Zhu branch has been officially started with the main construction. Several years have been taken for the purchase of the peace land by our past elder Wang Qianren He Yizhenjun. Now, the application for the land changing to religious usage category sent by our current elder Li Qianren has been approved by the government. Upon donating 30% of our plaza green space, we have also acquired a license for the construction. On January the 3rd, 2021, the main construction officially began. The day was also the 115th birthday of our Grand Elder He. This makes the inauguration especially meaningful. In terms of Yiguan Dao Xinyi Chunyang Sandao Temple, Lu-Zhu Branch Construction Preparation Committee, our elder Li serves as the chairman, and all our Tao transmitting masters serve as the committee members. There are also construction, implementation, and supervision divisions to monitor construction's quality and keep schedules on track. From 10 to 12 a.m. of every Wednesday, we hold bi-weekly meetings with Yida Construction Company and Shenyu Hydropower Engineering Company at the meeting room of the construction office to discuss improvement plans based on the previous week's results and the next week's schedule from 6:30 to 10 p.m. of every Friday. Elderly and members of the implementation, supervision, and interior design divisions also confirm details of the construction through an online meeting for follow-up implementation. To make sure the construction site at Lu-Zhu branch is clean and peaceful, we invite the workers to have vegetarian lunch every working day. During the construction period, members of kitchen affairs from our 4 southern areas, Xiao, Qi, Zhong, Xin, take turns cooking food for them. With much love and devotion, each on-shift kitchen staff makes a whole table of delicious mouth-watering food. We'd like to invite you all to witness the details of the construction so far. Introduction of construction methods. The RC wrap foundation method is adopted for the construction at Lu-Zhu branch. Most large buildings today are built upon wrapped foundations with deep excavation. At Lu-Zhu branch, we also adopt the wrapped foundation method, which features an extra 60 cm thick steel and concrete construction. The traditional continuous foundation method only contains footing without a large based floor, and thus the building structure is relatively weak. The wrap foundation method, in comparison, is much stronger, as it uses more steel and thus expresses a much higher safety factor. A wrap foundation comes with grids that look like boat cabins, which can be used as rainwater harvesters and fire tanks. It is a space-saving and convenience-based facility. Next, let's take a closer look at the selected photos and video clips of each construction item. 1. Grading. 2. Setting up fences. 3. Building retaining walls. 4. Making the basement. 2 pieces of rented sites are used for storing earthwork, which is covered with black nets to avoid loss of soil. It can be used for backfilling on a later day. 5. Pressing subsurface soil. 6. Installing ground wires, like ground wires for lightning conductors, power systems, and electrical equipment for protecting electricity in buildings. 7. Pouring concrete for the protective base. A 10 cm thick protective concrete layer for keeping dirt and the building apart. 8. Testing concrete slump and flow-ride irons, making test specimens and testing pressures. 9. Positioning and lofting, including drawing building lines and the positions of pillars and beams. 10. Bending steels for the pillars and ground beams of the 60 cm thick foundation. Like cultivating dough and propagating dough, setting up the solid dough foundation is the first step. Once the dough foundation is solidly complete, with the utmost sincerity and continuous practice, the Buddhahood can be achieved. We sincerely invite our Tao members to keep supporting this holy affair, and we encourage the families and friends of our Tao members, as well as leaders and virtuous people of the society, to join this holy project. We also sincerely welcome all virtuous people to visit us when they are free and share their precious opinions. May blessings be showered upon all families, and that everyone enjoys long-lasting happiness and wisdom. May all of us bathe in auspiciousness at both holy and worldly affairs.